Hi guys, in the case of an emergency, you may need to act quickly. So it's important that you're familiar with the items that are in your first aid kit so you know what to use for different injuries. So today I'm going to start off with our alcohol and our peroxide. These two may be used to disinfect a wound, and along with these we'd use our cotton balls. So we apply the peroxide or the alcohol to the cotton ball before we attempt to clean the wound. These items are known as sterile gauze pads, and this is what it looks like out of the package. So these are used to address a wound on the arm, open wound on the arm or on the leg. We use it to apply direct pressure to stop the bleeding. You can use as many as you like. There is a box that is supposed to be in the first aid kit. So depending on the size of the wound, you can use the amount to stop the bleeding or to address the issue that's there. Alright, so along with the gauze pads, we'll use our support bandage to keep the gauze in place. Now, depending again on the size of the wound, you can use we have a small one or a large one, which we'll then wrap with tape that we can cut with scissors. Alright, we have latex gloves, non-sterile latex gloves to prevent blood from getting on your hands or any other unwanted bodily secretions, and we have sterile gauze pads. There's also antiseptic wipes to disinfect a wound. We have a triple ointment antibiotics to dress the wounds, and we also have tropical antibiotics. These both work as the same thing. They work hand in hand, so you can use either or either. We have regular bandages to address minor wounds as minor coverings for the wounds. Again, we have antiseptic creams, antiseptic wipes. In the first aid kit, we'll also have our Acroflex burn cream. So if an individual gets burnt, they can apply this to the burnt area of their skin before dressing it or before covering the wound. And we have ibuprofen for minor pain such as headaches and so forth. If an individual has an eye injury, we need to rinse the eye, so we have eye saline. And if we have a broken arm or a broken leg, we have triangular bandages to secure the arm or the leg. This can also be used to stop bleeding or to apply direct pressure to a wound. And lastly, we have a garbage bag, so when we're done doing what we need to do, we can dispose of our garbage. And that's all we have in our first aid kit today, and how we use the items in our first aid kit. Thank you.